Okay, so now we have to combine them. We know that it takes this much heat to change 10 grams of water from -5 to 85. And where are we going to get that heat? This particular problem is telling us we're going to get this heat from burning methanol. So in other words, now our question shifts to how many grams, right? How many grams of C2H5OH are needed to burn to get that many joules? Okay? Now if you look, we already figured out how much heat we would get if we burned a mole. Do we need more or less heat than this? We need 6,995, and we only get 1234. Do you see that we need almost 6 times as much? Instead of 1 mole, we need about 6 moles, okay? But this is how we figure out exactly how much. What we do is we're going to take our 6,995 number. This is how many joules we want. And watch this bridge. It's very simple. For every 1,234.7 kilojoules. Oh. All right, hold on. So this would be what in terms of joules? Wouldn't it be 1,234,700? With me? This many joules is produced from 1 mole. So now let me re-ask my question now that I've got my brain in gear. Do we need to burn a whole mole? No, we need to burn a small amount, right? But this is going to tell us how many moles, right? Does everybody see that? The question says grams, so can we easily convert from moles of C2H5OH to grams? Yes. 1 mole of C2H5OH is how many grams? We've got 2 carbons, that's 24. We've got a total of 6 hydrogens. So now we're up to 30, and then we're going to add our oxygen in, that's 16, so it's 46. 46 grams is the molar mass of this ethanol. So now let's do that math. Not very much. What'd y'all get? I get 0.261 if I round. 0.261 grams of C2H5OH. So that needs to be burned in order to heat up ice from -5 to 85. So do you see how to break up the problem? 1, we had to figure out how much heat was produced by the burning of ethanol. And we usually get that in a standard form, which is kilojoules per mole. Then we figured out how much heat was needed to melt the ice, and then we combined the two to figure out exactly how many moles, or in this case, how many grams we would actually have to melt. Okay? I'm going to reopen WebAssign.